then you're already a Windows 8 developer. You don't need to learn a new language. You're already a Windows 8 developer. Like in the previous session, I showed like the copy and paste from a web application like AtterOp into a Metro application. There was really a copy and paste because the code is the same. Let me talk now about the platform, and let me explain you why that statement is true. So when we look at the Windows 8 platform, it all starts with the core OS, right? That's the kernel, and that's the basic layer that sits at the bottom. In the past, we had, like when we look, for example, Windows 7, we have desktop applications. For example, right now I showed you Internet Explorer, which is the one in the red box. Internet Explorer is a desktop application. Or you can have C and C++ application, or you can have .NET application, right? So you have desktop applications. In Windows 8, we continue to run all of the desktop applications. So if your application was working before in Windows 7, we continue to run it as is on Windows 8. But the new interesting part is what stays on the left of this chart, and it's called Metro applications. So the Metro application starts from the ground. We call it Windows Runtime, WinRT. And Windows Runtime is our way to reimagine Windows. I know reimagine sounds like a funny term, but we literally rewrote a lot of the code behind, a lot of the plumbing to get rid of all of the layers, all of the abstractions, and make it super easy. We have the kernel. On top of the kernel, there is Windows Runtime, which is a set of APIs that the operating system exposes. And on top of the Windows Runtime, there is the language that you use. We call them projections. And there are 3 projections. Number 1, C++ and C. Number 2, C# VBNet with